Hello ba? Happy birthday. I love you. See you tomorrow.
Nang niyakit din. Ano? Magsalita ka rin na happy birthday ka.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Binang. May handa ba? Ano na? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Bina.
Kuya Warren, happy birthday. We love you. Good health. Good health. Ay, bakit ako wala ako sa video? Kuhanan niyo naman ako. Happy birthday, Ate Binang. Mama, chup-chup. Okay na, stop na. Wala niyo, hindi mo na-stop.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita.
So, yeah, we're not sure if it's your 60th birthday, but nevertheless, it's a milestone. It's another blessed year for you. So, enjoy your birthday. We wish you good health, peace, joy. Ano yan? Peace of the mind and peace of the heart, joy and fun in life. Happy birthday. Dr.
Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Kung senior citizen ka na ba? At least may dagdag ka mga discount. Okay. See you when we see you. Bye.
Hi Bining, good evening. Apologies for the dim light because we're traveling from Isabela to Manila at the moment. All I want to say is that 60 years, but you see, the best is yet to come. If you think of it, it is also a testament to the life you've lived and the lives you've touched. Naway mapuno ang iyong kaarawan ng pagmamahal, tawanan at pangako ng bagong pangarap. So, Bining, happy birthday. Kuya Art, thank you. Sana maimbita mo ako. Bye.
Hi! Surprise! Happy birthday, Binang! Enjoy your special day. Ingat ka palagi. Stay healthy and happy. Enjoy. Love you. Miss you, Binang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Love, love. Enjoy your blessed day. Welcome to the Senior Club. Love you. Miss you.
Hello, Marco. 60th birthday mo na. Talaga naman si My Love sa senior ka na. Ipagpatuloy mo ang pangangalaga sa katawan. At para marami pa tayong mga Zumba nights dyan. Marami pa tayong mga gala-gala dyan. Siyempre kasama lahat ng mga BFF mo. Kaya happy birthday ulit. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Hi, Binang. It's your birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Ang barkada na very maporma, very stylish, lalo na ang kanyang hairstyles, lagi iba-iba, kakaiba. I hope to see you soon. Miss na kita. Sana makita tayo. Ngayong iba na ang age natin. Happy birthday again.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Binang.
We wish you good health and happiness and a peaceful heart.
Just enjoy life, Ate Binang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Binang! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Binang.
Hope you have a wonderful year to
Welcome to
come.
the Senior Club. 60 years old club.
Happy birthday.
Well, we wish you good life, good health for the entire year, all the time.
God bless.
God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Manang! Hindi na mapigil yung edad mo. 60 ka na. Anyway, love you very, very much.
Happy birthday, Mana.
Happy birthday, Manang!
Premyo ko, iPhone.
Happy birthday, Lala Binang.
Carl.
Happy birthday, Tita Binang.
Oh, ano Manang yung blood compact natin. Away batiman tayo noon. Alam mo naman, love na love kita. Always praying sa good health mo. Lagi kang masayahin. And God-fearing. Love you. Happy birthday.
Sige. Mare, happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday sa'yo.
Senior ka na.
Kain lang ng mga masustansya.
Dito kami kay Mare Nudge.
Nudge, Binang, batiin mo.
Birthday niya.
Oh, yeah? Hindi nag-invite.
Di ka rin nag-invite. Mag-invite ka bago sumila to. Mare, happy birthday. Bye-bye you.
Hello, Bianang. Happy 60th birthday. God bless you always. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Binang. May wish you more birthdays to come.
Ay, camera yan.
Hindi, video. Happy senior birthday to you, my TF. Ito, stranded pa ako dito sa Hong Kong. Bukas babalik ako. Tama-tama birthday mo na.
Maghanda ka.
Maghanda ka. Damihan mo handa.
Happy birthday.
Oo, di ba?
May bisita ka pa bukas, ako.
Magpapahinga kami mabuti para sa birthday mo. May dance number.
May dance number. Pa-practice kami.
Pero wala kang pasalubong, ha? Wala kang pasalubong.
Sasabihin
Parang
mo.
wala pa rin birthday gift. Sorry.
Sasabihin niya, huwag ka na umuwi.
Huwag ka nang umuwi. Hindi na ako uuwi. O basta, happy birthday. Ingat ka, ha? Ingat ka hanggang bukas. More birthdays to come. At sana, palagi kang sexy at beautiful. Kaya dapat lagi tayong nag-walking. Okay? My walking body. Happy birthday. 60th. Kumuha ka na ng senior card mo.
Para libre ka sa sinihan.
Yeah. At saka hindi, pero although libre ka na nakakadaya ka nga, PWD, hindi ka naman PWD. Basta, happy birthday. See you tomorrow. Pero makiki-birthday tayo kay Jolo. Ingat ka palagi. Maganda ka naman kaya hindi ko nasasabihin. Hindi, gumanda ka palalo. Okay? See you tomorrow, friend. TF. Okay? Babush. Hey, Binang!
Hey, Binang!
Happy senior birthday to you, my TF.
Ay, birthday ni Binang.
Yeah,
Punta tayo sa kanila.
Ay, baliktad yung ko. Sorry naman. Nagpapahingang beauty ko. Dali lang, Binang, ha? Dali. Ayaw.
Happy birthday, Binang. Wishing you happiness and good health always. God bless.
Binang, happy birthday sa iyo. Lagi mong aalagaan ng pangangatawan mo. Keep on doing physical activities like Zumba. Yan ang wag na wag mong aalisin. At wag na wag mong aalisin din magpa-sexy at magpaganda para laging love na love ka ni Kuya Arthur. Again, we are praying for your good health, happiness, and all the best things in life. Happy birthday. We love you, Ate Binang.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Binang. God bless you with good health
and happiness always. Nesty.
Happy birthday, Binang.
We love you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Binang. Okay.
Hello, Maricoy. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Ilan taong ka na ba? Senior ka na rin ba? Well, ano pa pwedeng hilingin natin sa Panginoon kung hindi bigyan tayo ng mabuting kalusugan, happy family, especially yung ating mga anak. And ako, alam kong masaya ka. Alam kong you have a great husband and beautiful kids. At sana tuloy-tuloy, basta ingatan mo lagi ang iyong kalusugan. Alam mo namang mahal na mahal kita, Mare. See you soon. Happy birthday. Love you, Mars.
Hi, Bina. Happy 60th birthday.
Pangalan mo?
Lotus. I'm sure kilala mo na ako. Napapati ka na ka. I'm sure kinikwento ako ni Arturo. But happy birthday. All the best. Good health. Good luck. With art.
Thank you.
Yun. Magandang gabi or araw ba sa inyo dyan. Dito ay hapon pa lang, 3:17. So, mag-start na ako mag-duty. Pero bago ang lahat, so nais ko pong nang batiin ng happy birthday sa aking pinsan na si Binang. Nauna ka mag-60 ah. Sunod na ako sa katapusan. So, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana ma-enjoy mo ang araw na to. At stay fit. So, napakalaga ng ating health. So, alagaan mo siya para humaba pa ang ating buhay at magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday. So, enjoy mo ang araw na to. So, happy birthday ulit sa'yo. God bless. And regards to all. Bye-bye!
Hi Maricoy, happy birthday to you. Maricoy, I love you. Alam mo yan, namimiss na kita. Ang wish ko sa'yo, good health, Mare. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Mare. Namimiss kita. Namimiss ko yung mga kwentuhan natin, nakakatawa, di ba? Lagi kang mag-iingat. And hinay-hinay na tayo, Mare. Hindi na tayo bumabata. Relax na lang. Always happy thoughts na lang tayo. And ang wish ko, more blessings, Mare. Happy birthday. Kita tayo always. Dapat more often magkikita tayo. Kahit magkita tayo sa labas, kahit mas malapit na lang sa'yo. Kaya lang busy na tayo talaga no? Pero dapat magkikita tayo. Love you, Mare. Happy birthday.
So, morning. Ate Binang, happy birthday. God bless. We wish you good health. Pasensya ka na. Madaling araw dito Alaska. Ingat lagi. Enjoy sa birthday mo. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hello. Hi, Binang. Oh, happy birthday. It's your 60th birthday na pala. And balita ko, senior citizen ka na. Welcome to the club. No? Dual citizenship ka na ngayon. So, kala ko nung araw, ayaw nating tumanda, ayaw natin tawagin senior citizen. Pero, nung ako yung naging senior citizen na, maganda pala senior citizen. Ang dami mong benefits, no? Lagi kang priority sa lahat, no? At saka yung mga discounts, no? Malaking tulong talaga yon. So, welcome to the club and happy birthday. I hope and pray na sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng iyong birthday. You cherish your life you've been through. Mga anak mo, lalo na yung mga apo mo, yan lang nagpapabata sa atin, yung ating mga apo. Kaya spend your birthday with your family, with your husband, and with your family. And God bless. And again, happy birthday.
Hi Binang, greetings from Brussels, Belgium. Mula sa aming pamilya, kay Angie, kay Renz ni Nat na nasa Australia, kay Frances, and kay Ralph. Nabati ka namin ng maligayang kaarawan. And we wish you all the best. We wish you good health and happiness as always. Thank you. And sa pagita, kumusta sa inyo lahat yan.
Hi Manang, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your 60th birthday na ba? May babati pa sa'yo ito Manang.
Hi, Ate Binang. Happy birthday.
More birthdays
to come.
Hi, Ate Divine. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Dito pa kami bumati. Senior citizen ka na.
Ay, ganun ba?
Oh, kanta.
Bahala kayo.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
happy birthday.
Hello, happy birthday Binang.
Happy birthday, Tita Binang. Wishing you good health and happiness lagi. Happy birthday!
Bate, happy birthday, kamo. Sabay-sabay ha. 1, 2, ready, sing. Sandali. Happy 60th birthday, Ma'am Divina. Okay? 1, 2, 3, begin.
Happy 60th birthday, Martina!
Bate, happy birthday, kamo. Sabay-sabay ha. 1, 2, ready, sing. Sandali. Happy 60th birthday, Ma'am Divina. Okay? 1, 2, 3, begin.
Happy 60th birthday, Martina!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Bianang. Happy 60th birthday. I wish you good health and many more birthdays to come.
Wishing you always happy and beautiful. God bless.
And saan naman tayo niyan ngayon? Okay, God bless.
Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best on your special day and the years to come. Continue to be a blessing to others at mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Peace.
Hi po, Tita! Happy birthday po! I wish you the very best for your special day po. Thank you po for always being so warm and welcoming po sa akin. I hope this year brings you more blessings and joy po. So, enjoy po! Happy birthday!
Hello!
Hi, Ate Binang.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Dual citizen ka na. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. I love you.
I love you. Salamat sa Diyos sa pag-iingat sa iyo at sa buong sambahayan ninyo. Palagi nawa kayong samahan ng Diyos. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday. Alam mo na. Pakain ka.
Alam na dis.
Alam na dis. Sana'y mabusog mo kami. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi Maring Binang. Happy birthday. At sana'y dumami pa yung mga celebrations ng birthday mo. At sana ay patuloy kang bigyan ng magandang kalusugan. At sana ay mas maging matatag ang pagsasamahan ninyo ni Paring Art. Ako yung nagpapasalamat din at binigay mo sa akin si Paring Art bilang isa sa pinaka-trusted at pinaka-close na kaibigan. Iilan lang po yan kinoconsider kong kaibigan sa DepEd at isa doon ang Paring Art. At nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga pagpapaunlak ninyo ni Pare na pumunta dito sa aking birthday at kapag gusto kong magkaroon ng mga kausap, matitinong kausap, pupunta kayo dito sa bahay. So, baka next time, ako naman ang pupunta sa inyo. So, happy birthday and enjoy your day, your celebration. Kailangan nang i-celebrate yan. Sa ating mga edad ngayon, kailangan nang ayusin ang pagse-celebrate ng mga birthday. Happy birthday!
Hi Binang! Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday! Aling Binang ka na?
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi, Binang! Happy birthday! Ano na? 60 years old na ka na rin. Libre na sine. Tsaka yung pagkain mo, may discount na rin. Parang sa akin. Sana magkita tayo. Miss na kita. Yung mga barkada natin, ewan kung magte-text din sa'yo. Pero ako, tsaka si Ronald, tsaka yung apo ko, kami lang nandito. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Binang. I love you. Sana tumagal pa tayo. Okay. Ay, si Ronald.
Binang,
Yan.
ngayon ko lang na-discover sa tagal-tagal ng panahon na magkakasama tayo or nakikita-kita tayo, nakakabali-balitaan tayo. Ngayon ko lang na-discover, mas matanda ka pala kay Arthur. Si Arthur 50 pa lang, ikaw 60 na. Happy birthday! Sa tinagal-tagal ng pagsasama-sama natin, ngayon lang tayo ngayon ko lang na through the years. Kanta yan. Through the years. Kanta yata ni Mike Hanopol yun, di ba? Through the years. Parang Arthur, di ba? Parang kanta yan ni Mike Hanopol, yung Through the Years. Through thick and thin. Andyan kayo, nandyan kami, andito kami sa inyo. Happy birthday, Binang. Happy 60th birthday. Sana tumagal-tagal pa tayo. Hindi man tayo nakikita araw-araw or palagi. Yung feelings, andito pa rin naman. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Binang.
Happy birthday.
I love you. Happy birthday. Ne.
Na. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Binang.
Kuya Warren, happy birthday. We love you. Good health. Good health. Ay, bakit ako wala ako sa video? Kuhanan niyo naman ako. Happy birthday, Ate Binang. Mama, chuk-chuk. Okay na, stop na. Wala dyan, hindi mo na-stop.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Biana.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ingat kayo. Sige, gabi na dito eh. Bye. Tawag na lang ako. Bye.
Happiest 60th birthday, Ate Divine. Siyempre, pag mga gantong edad na, napaka-importante ng good health. Good health always and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hello. Mare, Binang. Pagpasensya mo na itsura ng lola mo at alam mo naman na kakagaling lang sa opera. So anyway, syempre, ano bang araw ngayon? September 7 and it's your day. Happy birthday, Mare. Alam mo naman na love kita, love na love ka namin. So today, just enjoy your day. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy. Number 1, syempre, alam mo naman. Stay healthy, Mare. At saka, more blessings, more blessings. I wish you good health always. I love you, Mare. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yanang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Biana.
Happy birthday. Love you.
I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Binang. We wish you all the best and good health and more birthdays to come and blessings to come.
Ingat palagi.
Ingat po kayo palagi and God bless you.
God bless.
Enjoy your birthday. See you soon.
See you soon. Bye-bye.